till date, the data governance is not very up to date. Okay, so not a very good framework with respect to law still exists in today's scenario, so you have to be very careful. Next is human expertise remain essential. So this is a very important thing. So whatever you build, okay, whatever we say that it is an autonomous system and everything, a human being, a security or an analysis or some sort of monitoring by human being or human expert is very much needed. Otherwise, if we give total autonomy to the machine, so very soon it will replace the human being and it can do anything which will disrupt the normal human activity. So while AI automates many tasks, so human expertise is still irreplaceable in cybersecurity. So security analysts are needed to interpret AI findings, making critical decisions and oversee the overall security strategies. Next is the skilled workforce shortage. So this is a very important challenge because till date we don't have, we are still lacking the cybersecurity experts in our till date. So implementing and maintaining effective AI security solutions requires some specialized skills. So there is currently still shortage of the professionals with the necessary expertise in AI. So basically, the cybersecurity risk and vulnerability. So over here, nearly half of the security experts believe that agentic AI will become the top attack vector by the cyber criminals by late 2026. So the very autonomy that makes this system powerful also makes them dangerous. So, if compromised or manipulated through malicious prompt engineering. So, see, as I said, that autonomy to certain extent is nice, but it may happen that the malicious coders, okay, they may only prepare or they may only create the agentic AI system in such a way that it itself becomes a malicious agent. So we have to be very much careful. So basically there are 3 points or sorry 4 points that should be taken into consideration. That is the expanded attack surface. So by interacting with various external system and data source, AI agent create new entry point from authorized access and data leaks. So as we see that the agentic AI system, they interact with different APIs. Now if at certain point of time they get some unauthorized access of some data, so they may be a very serious harm to the system. Then prompt manipulation, so vulnerability to sophisticated prompt engineering that can hijack agents behavior, cause unintended disruption or financial loss. Okay, so if the prompt engineering, through prompt engineering system, if the agent's behavior is only hijacked, so it will obviously disrupt the system. Then we have got the weaponized agents. So malicious actors are already using AI agent for high speed social engineering and automated adaptive cyber attacks. So these things have already started. Then we have got integration flaws. So weak integration or system flaws can allow sensitive data to be exposed when agent breach disconnected application. So see, as we see that no system is 100% secure. So it is always advisable that whatever system we build, it is necessary that there is some level of human intervention. So we are continuously telling that AI, agentic AI has made our life much easier. We have seen there are several statistics by which the cyber security, the detection has improved a lot. So it is improving with days, but along with it there are a lot of risk and vulnerability with the agentic AI. So, what is the most important risk? The most important risk of the agentic AI system is its autonomy. Okay, so now I come to the last slide, the conclusion. So, over here, the the strategic necessity. So the agentic AI is no longer optional. It is it is a requirement to counter the speed and the scale of modern cyber threat. So as we have seen that there are a lot of pros of the agentic AI, right? So it has improved the speed, the execution time of the threat detection, the malware analysis. So it is the need of the hour, because with days we see that the cyber crime has risen to a large extent. But human AI collaboration, so the success depends upon human in the loop. So it is always advisable that instead of total autonomy, a human in the loop is there, where AI handles the data scale and human provides the strategic oversight. So entire decision, if we don't leave it on the agentic AI system, if some human is there in the loop, then the system can perform better, even if we can compromise much on the speed or the scale, but for the betterment of the society. Then we have got the framework evolution. So organization must adopt some risk management framework or RMF that prioritize the behavior prediction over simple detection. So obviously, suppose my system is at risk, it may happen that the system is not functioning or it is performing in some unauthorized way. So there has to be some risk management framework. So the focus shifts from defending against to defending with AI. Okay, so it's not we are defending against AI using agentic AI system, but we have to defend with AI using agentic AI system. And how can we do it? We can do it by using human in the loop. Okay, so thank you. So this was all about my presentation.
Yes, any questions from the audience side, participant? You can unmute yourself, you can ask the questions. Yes, anyone? Rituja? So, ma'am, how can we create some agents? Means, have you tried that, or means I have not tried means, these things? Only as this thing is very new.
Yes, sir. Actually, I was also trying, but as I said that for the auto GPT, okay, so they had put me to register, so they had put me in the wait list. So and for the Devin, for the Devin AI, okay, for the Devin AI, what I found is I need to pay. So I tried in 2 3 portals, okay, different, but I couldn't try myself. So
Hmm.
I think we have to wait for 2 3 months so that it becomes free and we can have an access to it. But it is a very interesting research topic. At least
Yes,
if
yes.
if, if not implementing the agentic AI, we can implement different ML algorithms, different AI algorithms. We can give the I had shown several use cases, so we can implement in all those use cases that we can do.
Yes, yes. So, ma'am, some students are asking for the PDF. If
Yes, I will be sharing it with you, so you can share it with
Yes,
your.
yes, yes. Because I have forgotten to record the sessions. Means the halfway only I have started recorded. So anyway,
Okay,
you
sir.
just send the PDF, so I will send to them.
Yes, I will be sharing it with you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you
Okay.
very much. You will be in contact that some other projects are also
Yes,
there.
sir. Yes,
So
sir.
I'll
Okay.
be.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you
you.
all. Thank you very much.
PDF I will share. Okay. Don't worry because I have forgotten to record the things. Totally forgotten. All the sessions are recorded, but not this one. For the last 15 minutes only I have recorded. So Rita, how are you?
I'm doing fine, sir. How is
Fine.
everything there?
Yes, yes, everything is fine here. So let
Yeah,
us
that's
start some research work. Okay, whatever things you have learned from there also, let us
okay, sir.
collaborate and do some work. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
you are doing in cyber security, na?
Yeah, yeah, I'm interested also there. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I will connect with you. Fine. Later.
Oh, all right.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.